Stone Floor Cleaning Oxshott by Fabritec Stone Care. Tired of battling with your stone floors to get them clean? We understand your frustration. You've scoured the internet, searched for every natural stone cleaning company in Oxshott. You've tried every tile cleaning product on the market. But nothing seems to work. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces, Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. Fabritec Stone Care is a premier natural stone cleaning service in Oxshott. Our team of experts is well versed in the art of stone and tile cleaning. We use the most advanced techniques and equipment to ensure that your floors are spotless. So why wait? Try Fabritec Stone Care today and experience the difference for yourself. Your floors will thank you. Call 0779860860 now to learn more about our services in Oxshott.